kailangan ko malaman to kung ano. Okay, let's go!
Hopefully I'll get everything right.
Josh versus the world. First, trivia. First question.
Huwag mo sa akin.
Like, wait lang. Basahin ko muna lahat. Ang unfair naman.
Huwag na.
He or she doesn't like sports. I don't like sports.
I hate it. I hate it.
Best of ano? Isa lang? Guess? Two tries.
First guess.
Not sports.
First guess.
Choy. Not for I hate sports.
Okay, mabayas mo yung taan.
Okay, I have to choose.
Yes.
Sports, but like doing it or watching it?
In general.
I think, sige,
And, wala mo na mag-react kasi dalawang try siya. And.
Mabayas mo.
I know Eileen likes to watch volleyball, but she's not playing it.
She's playing a different sport.
Every night. Paano mo nasabi?
It's a night sport.
Fridays.
Alex.
Anne and Alex. Okay, Anne, hold your drink. Alex, hold your drink. Josh, hold your drink.
Where's the drink?
Ano ako ba problema?
My drink, bro. Get your drink.
If Alex and one of them, when I count to 3 and you drink it, it means John got it right. Okay? If nobody drinks, then you need to drink yours. Saan sa'yo? Okay.
Ang ina na si Josh eh.
Okay.
Okay? Ready?
Go.
Ito lang. Tubig si Mama. Okay. I count to 3. If somebody, one of you is the person who doesn't like sports. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, drink. Okay, the person who doesn't like sports, please drink it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Porky chubby, hindi mahilig sa sports. Porky chubby.
Hindi naman sinabi chubby. Bakit chubby ba si Mama?
Gusto ko mag-badminton.
Okay. It's Jenny.
Dapat pala tigdalawang trivia kasi
Okay lang, kasi ang pagdalo.
Dalasing pa siya tulog.
Para namang luging-lugi kayo sa pag-inom. Okay, next person. I vomited inside a bar.
Oh,
I vomited inside a bar. Okay, first guess. Joshua, don't react, guys.
Sorry, Joshua here.
Kung sino yung gusto dito, whoever wrote this one.
Edge. Where was Anne? Feeling ko hindi pa.
Sa bahay lang.
Judgmental ka naman.
Edge and Anne.
Okay, Edge and Anne, prepare your drinks. Ready, 1, 2, 3, drink. Sorry. Okay, the person, please raise your hand.
Tequila. Kaya ka ba?
Person, okay, isulat ko muna. And it's I vomited inside a bar. Okay. I once an initiator in a brotherhood. Once an initiator
Okay.
in a brotherhood.
Ano yan? Kulto ba yan?
Siguro na.
Fraternity.
Fraternity.
It's either Leo or
Leo? Or
Jordan.
Jordan. You are Jordan. Raise your glass.
Rio, raise your glass.
Chris.
Ay, dalawa.
Leo or Jordan.
If it's you, please drink. Ready? Go. Ang bilis mo kasi. Okay, whoever that is that, please raise your hand.
Christopher.
It's
Father.
brother. Okay, next person.
Oh no, I'm so bad at this.
Next one.
So embarrassing.
I rescued a blind man from committing suicide.
Safe lahat.
Please raise your glass and drink if it's here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Please drink, drink. Next, reminder yan, sir, wala ka pala tamang sagutin. Thought of becoming an archaeologist. I want to be an archaeologist.
Big word. Big word.
Spell
Archaeologist. Archaeologist.
Wala sa desk na yan.
Archaeologist.
I think I know.
Eva.
And Jordan.
Me again, I swear to God.
What do you say?
Please prepare your drinks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, drink. No. Person who wants to be an archaeologist is
Alex!
I'm so bad.
May kaibigan ka ba nun?
I want to go to Egypt.
Yeah. It's the mommy. The mommy.
now you know.
Tama na. Kaligsan. Hoy, jeep man to, oy.
What's that again?
Run over my motorcycle.
Run over.
Okay. See, I'll have 5 Leos
And Jordan.
And Jordan.
Sheila.
and Eva. The couple.
The couple.
A 5-kilometer race.
Just look at the edge. Sa mani.
Only 5 kilometers.
Sheila and
Sheila and Edge. Edge and Edge.
Manaw?
The afternoon.
Eileen.
please raise 1, 2, 3, drink.
I can do it, but I don't. Oh.
He didn't write it.
Sheila.
You really know me.
Yes.
Sheila, I know you. I know you.
Purple.
Uy, sino?
I don't like.
Yellow sa akin yun.
For what?
Yeah.
Purple's.
Don't like me?
I'm enjoying
I like purple.
Okay, please raise your glass.
No cheating, oy.
Ready? Please drink.
What's the trivia?
No.
Please drink. Discovery.
It's a new element. Secret yan, secret.
Jordan.
Yay! Jordan.
And just of course, you just the word. Okay, next. I like driving. Driving time with friends. I like driving time with friends.
Driving.
Leo.
Set multiple alarms every morning, but manages to snooze all of them and wake up late.
And only.
Please raise your glass if it's you. 1, 2, 3. Drink it. One more.